Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing and demoing this Clairol Color Crave hair makeup in Shimmering Rose Gold. So this is so interesting. I saw it in the store and I was just like, what is that? I'm a hair product junkie. I always want to dye my hair, do it different colors, and then at the end of the day it's always back to black. Once you go black, you can do other things, but you'll always come back to black. I saw this and I was like, this is really cool. You put it in your hair and then you blow dry it and it's supposed to stay until you wash it out with shampoo. So I was like, what? So this is cool. I looked up a couple of videos on it to see if it worked, and apparently it did work, so I'm excited to try it out on myself. I picked up the rose gold one because this was kind of cool. They have a bunch of different shades: purple, blue, like a bronzy kind of highlight color, I guess. Rose gold, like a brown, and then like a red color. And it's kind of cool. This is what it looks like. It comes in a little tube like this. Shake tube before use. Squeeze tube until color appears on the sponge. Wipe onto dry hair strands. Heat with blow dryer to lock in the color, and then wash out with shampoo if you want to. So I actually have a black towel, which is crazy. I never have a black towel. My mom is constantly yelling at me because I'm constantly dyeing my hair and it gets everywhere on the towels, and she's like forever freaking out on me. Just gonna attach this like that. All right, so let's do this. Where should I put it? Oh my god, look, I bought one of these tangle brushes. I thought I was so cool. I follow Milaboo. I don't know if you guys follow her, but she's a pro at hairstyles. I love her. She has one of these, so I was like, I want to get one of those when I saw it. It's a screw off, so you screw it off. If you guys can see that. Woo! Oh wow, that's kind of creepy. I should just like expands like that. That shit's crazy. And put it in. Oh my god, did you guys see that? It just like popped up. Do you have to do this?
It's on my hand. It's on my hand. I'm confused.
Okay. I don't really see the color. It's on my hand. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, so I'm seeing what's happening. You're supposed to like blow dry it while you're combing it through, and that way it kind of leaves a little something. You can see it up here a little bit better. I don't know how I like this though. This is kind of strange. I mean, it's interesting. I don't know if it's my hair. I think my hair is too dark. I mean, it shows up. Not like it doesn't. It does, but it's nothing crazy. And my hair feels very smooth. Like I can run my fingers through it. It feels like a little, I have a little bit of product in there, but nothing crazy. Let me do a little bit more in the front and see how that will work out. It's like a weird like pussing pimple. What? I'm confused. And it's like spewing out the side of it. This is so gross. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see. You can see it a bit here. It's not bad. I guess, I don't know if I put it on streaky or if it's just streaky or what. I mean, I feel like it looks kind of cool. I like that it's like a subtle hint of color. That's cool. I think if I did it with the gold one, I think I might want to get the gold one. It might look like I have actual highlights. So I actually did watch a video and this girl braided her hair and then did it. So I don't know if that's something I might consider doing. And her braids looked really good. That might be something I might consider doing. The fact that I can do this, I think is cool. I think the color is just kind of off. I don't feel like this is like a real like rose gold, at least on me, because my hair is jet black. I think if my hair was not jet black, it would look a lot better, but it does still show up. I think other colors would be a little bit more prominent, maybe like the blue or like the golden one that'll look a little bit more like highlights. I might actually pick up that one and see how it works like.
Lisa. Yo. How you doing, my nigga? Why are you looking at a little Barbie doll?
He's like, meow.
You like my hair?
Really? You actually look like you look like how I first met you, but without the belly.
Baby!
If you had a belly, you'd be the first time I met you.
Shut up. So I just braided my hair and now I'm gonna try putting it onto the braids and let's see how it looks like. It looked really cute on the little girl. Her mom actually did like more like cornrow braids. Mine are just kind of like twists, so I don't think it'll do anything crazy. But I'm definitely gonna put it at the bottom and see what's up with that. So this is how it looks like when it's finished. I really like this. I think this is actually something very cool. I think in the summertime it would be so cute just because you're out in the sun and it's just like hot. You're wearing cute hair and cute hairstyles and like cute dresses, and this is a great accessory. At first it's kind of weird. You have to like get the hang of it, but after you get the hang of it, it is bomb. I like it a lot and you can do a lot of cute things. I think it looks great in braids. I love it. I cannot wait. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pick up some more colors. I kind of want to try the blue one and then the brassy golden bronze one. I might go to Target. I think I might go ahead and pick up some more of these. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like more hair videos, because I'm like kind of getting into hair a little bit, let me know. I could do like shampoo reviews and different things that I figure out on my own with my hair and I don't know, stuff like that. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my socials, Reesiibabe at ReesMUA, and I will talk to you guys in another video. See ya. Bye.